Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you quickly how to connect Notion with the n8n. So guys, this is going to be very simple. Firstly, of course, make sure that you have an account. So for example, I will choose for personal life, on my own, skip for now, skip. And this basically will ensure that our account is set up and now we can successfully connect it to our n8n. So guys, after you do that, in the home screen of n8n, as you can see, we have this thing in here. You can just delete this at the first step, press, then type in Notion, choose Notion, and now just choose the action, get a database, for example. So also, as you can see, it tells us make sure to add your connection to the pages you want to access. So choose a credential, create new credential, and after that, we just need a internal integration secret. So let us grab that from Notion. Okay guys, after that you just go to Notion profile and then integrations. So just press on this one and in here just click new integrations. Associated workspace, you can choose a workspace any you want. If you have multiple, make sure to choose the correct one from this drop down menu. After that just choose which one is going to be, public or internal. Let me go public. Okay, insert the name, test123. Save. Okay, now you can go to configure the integration settings. And guys, as you can see in here under integration, internal integration secret, you have this code. As you can see, this is the secret. Copy it. Now, once again, the same thing. Insert and save. And as you can see, connection tested successfully. So now you are successfully connected with Notion and n8n. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, and also others on our channel, please check them out as well if you wish. And if you do, like the video, subscribe, click on the notification bell to not miss new uploads, and thank you for watching.